Hi, my name is Martin Seguin from Parlons Bois, Let's Talk About Wood, and today I'm going to build that book page holder in wood. As you can guess, the first step is to prepare the wood. So I'm using the jointer and the plane over here to make sure that I will have one side and one face to be properly flat. The plane over here is to make sure also that everything is parallel from one end to the other one. Make sure you remove wood from both sides. The pieces I was using were not big enough for what I had to do. So I used some glue and I glued them all together, and this will make me some pieces that I will be able to use for all the other steps. Or if you're interested in my way of using the glue over here, I have a video about that jig. Next step is to use the CNC. So over here I am in Carbide Create, and I did a circle and some rectangle in order to shape my piece, and also I have the contour that is going to cut the piece from a bigger piece of wood, which is not the case in my in the software right now. And I will use always the same bit, a 1/4 inch down cut, and this is what the result is supposed to look like. But as you can see, my piece of wood was a little bit smaller and not big enough. As you can see, I have enough wood. With the glue up I did before, my pieces is bigger than what I need. The first step is to cut the circle for the mug. As you can see, the cut is very clean. I'm using a 1/4 inch bit, the number 205 from Carbide Create. It is a down cut bit. I'm also cutting the places over here that you can see where I will be able to put the phone or the tablet. And the last step is to cut the contour in order to cut the piece from the bigger piece of wood. With whatever is left of the wood, I'm now cutting my two pieces that will act as a tent on the top where I will be able to put the book. So they are 6-inch large by 7-inch long. I need two pieces, and with those two pieces I will arrange it in order to cut it at a specific angle to have my tent. I'm using the jig I built 2 weeks ago. You can see the video, it's in the description, you see the link. And I'm cutting it at an angle of 22.5 degrees. It could be whatever degree you want. It's all depending on the result you want to have. See over here, I'm looking at it and I say, okay, that's correct. Now, without moving the blade, I'm cutting the bottom of that piece in order to have a flat, yeah, as you can see over here, they are both at an angle that now I can build it. I did a previous sample with pine in order to have also my jig that I put some tape into it. Why? Because glue, when you glue up a piece of wood, the glue can go out and your piece will be fixed in your jig. Not very good. So, putting the glue, one side is enough. Now I'm putting it at this right angle because I've been built exactly at the same angle. Couple of glue at the top, and I will put my main board on top of it. I'm trying to align it, but anyway, I'm losing my time over here. You want to know why? Because I need weight. So I'm putting some weight, and I will make sure and check that everything is aligned properly. Then let's dry it. With my small hand plane, I'm just removing a little bit of wood at the top of it in order that everything stay clean for a long time. So here it is. You are all set up to do your reading wherever you want, if you have the space to put that somewhere. So, about the finishing, I will probably do some oil. I will have a small issue to go in the middle over here, but maybe I will ask somebody with small hands to help me. I can also write some inspiring text on both sides with the laser. I'll see what my daughter wants. So there's space for future customization. Here it is how I build my book and page holder in wood. I hope you appreciate it. Thank you.